Hi Kanu.
Hi, Kanu.
What are we making now?
One Papa Charlie. Oh,
And house, huh? Papa petrol house, huh?
no, Papa Charlie house.
Oh,
No,
okay.
no. Papa Charlie.
Papa stall house.
No, Papa Charlie.
Okay. We are making a small house
No.
just to pass the time. Right, Kanu?
Yeah, like that.
So what are we making now? Hmm?
Papa Charlie.
Papa petrol house, right?
Oh, pretty.
Okay, so you like to make one house, small house, puppy house?
This house.
Okay.
How is this dogging?
The dog house, huh?
That is a Paw Patrol house.
Papa petrol house, huh? Okay, let's make it then.
Yeah.
How many centimeters should be the length of the house? 35, huh?
35.
35 centimeters, huh? Or millimeters, sir? 35 centimeters. Okay. See, measure it once. Take this out, 34 centimeters. Hmm. Okay. This is too long. Okay. See, 35. Okay. Kanu, 35 centimeters into 15 centimeters height. Okay?
Okay.
Is that okay? Oh, no, okay. 35 centimeters, okay? This one, huh?
That's chicken.
Okay.
Come here.
Okay.
Like
Kanu, hold this, no. Hold this. Hold this scale. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Now write it down as 35.
35.
3, 5 centimeters. So finally we have done all the pieces.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Okay, this is one side of the house walls.
Yes.
Okay. These are the opposite sides of the house.
Yes.
These are the roof,
Yes.
and this is also one of the wall. Okay, now let's do it, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. This is the house door.
Yes.
It is ready. No, wait. I'm making house now. Wait.
Wait, how pretty look. Yes, I'll make a house. How come that? Oh.
Oh no, wait, Nana. Oh no.
Oh my goodness. Floaty hand. Helping hand. Helping sticker. Helping sticker. Ta-dum. Yeah. Yes, no, yes.
Okay.
Okay.
This is power house.
No, this is happy.
Happy house?
No,
Oh.
not big house.
Hmm.
So happy.
Okay.
Bob,
Fill the edges properly.
it's just kakamdamba.
Yeah. So these are the edges
Kakamdamba.
properly. So it will hardly take few seconds to harden up.
Yes, sir. Kakamdamba.
Yes.
Kakamdamba.
Okay. Finally, the house is done.
Then.
So we both
Come.
spent nearly 30 minutes on this. It's not that big house, but it's worth enough. We spent together and see how excited he is. Can you tell me the story? What happens here? Where the dinosaurs and everything will go inside, huh?
Yes.
Okay. One will go. Let me do it. Okay. Oh, the tiger goes inside. inside. Okay. Okay, you can also do that. Okay. Anyways, it's not that great, but it's worth spending time with my son, and I made him be far from mobile at least 1 hour. Kanu, give me high five. We'll be back with new video. Say hi and bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching. Thank you
Thank you.
for watching. Welcome back again in the new video. Kanu, smile. Thank you.